In this video, we will explain to you how to use the TRIOS Practice Lab design tools. The Practice Lab solution is a complete digital workflow with fully integrated CAD/CAM modules. This solution is dedicated to dental practices that would like to keep production of restorations, like crowns, inlays, onlays, veneers and bridges in-house. To get to the designing tools while being in the crown module, simply click Next after the insertion direction is done. The anatomy design step automatically creates and places a valid design. On the right side of the screen, you've got a range of tools which can help you while designing your restoration. There are Preparation, Antagonist, Active Item, Inactive Item, Center View Clipping, Show Texture on Crowns, Show Distance Map, Minimum Thickness Surface. The first action you can do is to choose the Smile library you prefer. Just click on the Smile library icon and select the one you like. Browse for the necessary library by scrolling up and down. When the desired model is found, click on it to save the changes and close the Smile library window. Now let's get to the tools. The Transformations tool allows you to move, scale and rotate the model using points on the design. To move your restoration, click at any point on the tooth and drag it sideways. Depending on the view, rotate and tilt the tooth by clicking and dragging one of the red points. The adjacent arrows illustrate the direction of the orientation. Remember that at any time during the designing process, you can use the Undo and Redo options. Drag the green points to change the shape of a whole tooth by moving it sideways, back and forth, or up and down, depending on the view. Next, you've got the Morph tool. By using it, you can move points on the tooth in the desired direction. Hold Shift and scroll the mouse wheel to change the radius of the affected area. The net around the cursor shows in which direction the morphing is applied. Alternatively, you can also use a slider in the design window to change the radius of the tool. Let's move on to the wax knife. Use the wax knife tool to add and remove material from the design and to smooth its surface. Choose one of the three options and click on the design to apply the operation. Use Shift and scroll the mouse wheel to change the radius of the tool. Apart from those three buttons, the wax knife also has the threshold buttons that limit the adding and removing of material to the value set with the sliding bar. Under the numbers below the threshold, you've got different sets for the wax knife. The first two are for adding material, the next three for removing, and the last one is for smoothing. The last tool here is Contacts and Smoothing. It allows you to make some adjustments and set the necessary parameters for the restoration. Under Contacts and Smoothing, you can use the Cut to Antagonist option. Simply set its value and press the green Play button. Then you can use the Cut to Neighbors option and do the same as before. You have also the possibility to reconnect to the margin. Then it's the auto placement. There's no need to set contact points, and the crown is automatically adjusted to the antagonist. Before you go to the CAM module, where your restoration will be automatically placed in the milling block for production, please use the Enforce Minimum Thickness option, so the restoration won't break during the production. Now you have learned how to use the design tools. Thank you for watching.